Alright, listen up because if you've been struggling to lose fat, this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. You've heard of keto, you've heard of intermittent fasting. But what if I told you that combining these two is like lighting rocket fuel under your fat loss? That's right, intermittent fasting plus keto is the ultimate fat-burning powerhouse. And today, I'm going to break down exactly why this works, what fasting windows give you the best results, the biggest mistakes that could be slowing you down, and even how to structure your meals for maximum success. So stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have a complete roadmap to melt fat faster than ever before. Why keto plus fasting work together? Alright, first things first, why do keto and intermittent fasting work so well together? The secret is insulin. Every time you eat, your body releases insulin to store excess glucose. But here's the problem, as long as insulin is high, your body holds on to fat instead of burning it. Keto lowers insulin levels by cutting out carbs. That means your body switches to burning fat for fuel ketosis. Now, add intermittent fasting on top of that, and you're doubling down on fat burning because fasting naturally keeps insulin levels low for longer. Less insulin equals more fat burning. It's science, and it works. But that's not all. Fasting also triggers autophagy, your body's natural process of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. That means better metabolism, increased energy, and even anti-aging benefits. The best fasting windows for fat loss. Now, let's talk fasting windows. Not all fasting schedules are created equal, so here are the best options for rapid fat loss. 16-8 method: fast for 16 hours, eat in an 8-hour window. Ideal for beginners and still highly effective for fat loss. 18-6 method: a little more aggressive, better for experienced fasters who want to accelerate results. 20-4 method: OMAD, 1 meal a day, max fat burning, but tougher to sustain. Works well for people who have adapted to fasting. Alternate day fasting, a more advanced technique where you fast every other day. Great for long-term fat loss and metabolic health. For most people, 16-8 or 18-6 are the sweet spots. They give you the benefits of fasting without making you feel like you're starving all the time. How to structure your meals. Now, let's get into what to eat when you break your fast. Because let me tell you, how you break your fast is just as important as when you fast. The best way to break your fast is with nutrient-dense foods that won't spike your insulin. Here's the ideal breakdown: healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil, grass-fed butter. These keep you full and fuel ketosis. High-quality protein: grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, eggs. Protein is essential to maintain muscle mass while burning fat. Low-carb veggies: spinach, kale, broccoli, zucchini. These provide fiber and nutrients without affecting insulin much. What you don't want to do is break your fast with high-sugar, high-carb junk. That will spike insulin and kick you out of fat-burning mode. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, before you dive in, let's make sure you don't sabotage your results with these common mistakes. Breaking your fast with the wrong foods: if you end your fast with sugar or high-carb foods, you'll spike insulin and stop fat burning in its tracks. Stick to healthy fats and proteins instead. Not eating enough electrolytes: when you cut carbs, your body flushes out sodium, potassium, and magnesium. If you feel sluggish or get headaches, you need more electrolytes. Overeating in your eating window: just because you fasted doesn't mean you should binge. Keep it clean, balanced, and in line with your goals. Not drinking enough water: fasting is dehydrating. Aim for at least half your body weight in ounces per day. Being too rigid: if you're too strict, you'll burn out. Find what works for your body and lifestyle. Ignoring sleep and stress levels: high stress and poor sleep raise cortisol, which can slow fat loss. Make sure you're getting enough rest and managing stress. Supplements to boost results. Now, if you really want to maximize your results, there are a few key supplements that can help. Electrolytes: essential for hydration and preventing keto flu. MCT oil helps your body produce more ketones for faster fat burning. Apple cider vinegar helps regulate blood sugar and improve digestion. Collagen protein supports skin, hair, joints, and muscle retention during fasting. So, here's the deal: keto and intermittent fasting together. Absolute fat-burning gold, but only if you do it right. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried fasting and keto together? What was your experience? Drop a comment below and let's talk. And if you're serious about making this work, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've got more deep dive videos coming your way. Let's get lean, stay strong, and make this fat loss journey simple. See you in the next video.